So hey guys, it's Berkey at the Berkey channel, and today I have this little so cool fridge. I unboxed it for you because it took a really long time to open. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with this little 6 mini Shopkins, and you can take it out. So I'm gonna start with this one, and I'm gonna take this egg carton off. Just gonna unwrap these bands that are on it. Okay, these clear bands, and I'm gonna take these off. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. It's like a little teeter-totter. It is, it's a little teeter-totter. This one, they're kind of squishy. They feel squishy. This one's like, hi. This is like, oh no. This one's like, oh no, what did I do? And then, hang on. And then this one's like, hi, I just want to meet everyone. And then this one has an expression like, oh, I'm so sleepy, I just want to go to bed. And this one has expression like, hi, you look nice. Like Cookie or something. This one looks like Cookie. He's like, I really don't care, let's just have fun. So this is really cute. So I'm gonna get this so cool fridge in there. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back in. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it aside for now. Okay, now for the mini. It says it includes Shopkins. Come on, open. Open. Okay, I'm just gonna. Oops. Not good. Not good. Okay, there you go. Get it out. Okay, just gonna get this out and get this clear rubber band off. Okay, not gonna skip ahead here. Okay, so here are the Shopkins that came with this season 2. Very cool fridge. So this one looks like it. This one is a strawberry and banana yogurt, and it's translucent. It's really cool. And this, yeah, actually it's like a strawberry and banana yogurt, which sounds good. And it looks like a Yoshi a little bit. This one is another translucent. And this one looks like, this is a translucent, and it looks like soda pops or something. Okay, so now let's get into stocking this. Okay, hang on. Just gonna put this egg teeter-totter on. Okay, so I just want to review this egg little teeter-totter. It's so cute. Come on. It's like, you can balance them and they're all going crazy. No! Yeah, they're all going crazy and they're on their little teeter-totter. Ah! Where'd the other one go? Okay, they fell out. Hang on. Just put you all back in your egg spots. You guys go here. You go here. Okay, so it comes with these 2 shelves, a little heart thing, and 3 shelves, 1, 2, and 3. Bottom shelf, and a tiny little bottom drawer, where you can stock your Shopkins. And this other drawer right here, and this closet where you can put your Shopkin in, and it falls down into this little cup. And yeah, I'm starting to wish I had Cool Cube because it'd be a great time to use him, but I don't. So I'm just gonna use this little guy, put him in, and dispense him. Oh look! Ah! Look at my cup. It's filled with soda. Now let me try. I'm just going to call this Yoshi and Soda Pops. So. Yeah! now I have my cool strawberry and banana smoothie, I guess. Okay, so this also came with 2 season tube bags and some stickers. 2 sheets of stickers. So I can put them on my so cool fridge. So let's open up these sticker packets. And I'm so glad they finally have stickers because I really wanted Shopkins stickers. Just going to get this tape off. And there's our little stickers. So you can put them on the so cool fridge. First, I want to start with this little list. It's so adorable. It's like a list of what stuff you're going to have to get. So I'm just going to put that right here. Wait, no. Get it off. Get off. Get off. Okay, now I can't get off. And I'm going to open this other sticker packet. Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's good. So this other one is really cool. And I like this list, this fruit and vegetable list. And I'm going to put it right here. That'd be good. Yeah. So, thanks guys for watching the Sparky channel. I had a really awesome time playing with this set with you guys. And I hope I see you in my next video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And bye!